Hello, Kana.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Playing with my toys.
Playing with your toys.
Yes.
What's in your hand?
Just humans.
Oh.
You're guessing this one is not the regular color, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, because I think because it's a robot, but I'm using it as a human. And one of them was going to walk. We were talking about let's walk into our Roblox cars and get it. But one of them decided to go in their big truck. But he found out there's a brand new car. Sent it out. Look at it. It doesn't have any doors. Yeah. You go to the top actually. Because all other cars all show the same. But
Okay.
even for the Lamborghini, you can see my brother on Roblox. You can see my brother on look over there, and you might see my brother on Roblox.
Hi, Arav.
Hi,
What are you all playing?
Roblox.
Roblox. Okay.
You have a Lamborghini Roblox.
He has Lamborghini in Roblox.
Yes.
Okay.
There's three Lamborghini. I don't know how much Lamborghinis there are in Roblox.
Okay.
There are 24 Lamborghinis in Roblox.
24. And how many you have, Kana?
How much Lamborghinis I have?
Yes.
0.
0. Okay.
I didn't buy a single Lamborghini. I was trying to buy them, but I had I didn't have enough money to get them.
Oh.
You notice my iPad is on the ground right now?
Yes. Yes. So you are planning to play Roblox on this iPad?
Yes.
Okay. You
Remember
carry
from
on.
my older video where I made a Tesla, but it's not
Yeah.
looking like a Tesla,
Yes.
and I put my iPad as a Tesla screen. Usually I see them in real Teslas.
Yes.
Some people said, let's do the Tesla Trap Challenge.
Okay. In that challenge, what we have to do?
You're supposed to try to get out of the Tesla or escape the Tesla.
Okay.
But if it's automatic Tesla driving, you have to dodge obstacles and do that. But if that's called dodge obstacle and you get away from Tesla.
Okay.
Trapped in Tesla means you have been stuck in Tesla and you have to try to escape.
Very nice. Okay.
Over here is the Tesla.
This is your Tesla?
It's a toy Tesla.
Okay.
But then this guy is trapped in it. And he got out. Oh, what am I going to do in here? Oh, I can just open it. I don't know how to open the door. They're locked. Ooh, he broke out.
Oh.
But then it just fell back together.
Okay.
And the secret about this car, it can actually do like this.
Wow. That's cool.
From both sides.
From both sides. Okay.
And
Okay, you play with your toys.
This car actually, you see this? This is not suspension. And see the gun?
It's a transformer.
Yes, you can see a gun in there. Right? You see guns?
Where? Show me.
Over here.
Wow. So, Kana, few minutes ago, what you did in balcony?
Asking coronavirus go away.
You were asking coronavirus to go away.
Yes.
How?
We off those lights.
We switched off these lights. Okay. Then?
Even switched off those lights over there.
Okay, we switched off lights of our home. Okay. Then, what we did?
We on torches and then start saying coronavirus go away.
Ooh.
Walking in the balcony.
Okay. That was nice.
Yes.
What is the date today? Don't remember? 5th April 20.
Okay.
Right, Kana?
Right.
Woof woof.
Remember from this video where I was in the Tesla? This doggy. Calm down, Lashmi. It's just a video. Okay, this is good.
Okay.
Calm down, Lish. Hey, stop.
Today at 9 o'clock, for 9 minutes, we lit the, what we lit? We lit the candles, right?
Right.
And
Torches.
torches. Why?
Bang, bang, bang.
Why?
Bang.
Ming Ming. Why?
To ask coronavirus go away.
So,
Like this guy.
it's like,
It's like
hmm,
asking someone to go away, right?
yeah, we are together, right?
Yes. Bang, 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 bang.
So these humans also lit the torches?
This human kid had a torch in his hand a long time ago.
Okay.
And it was his hand was flamed on fire, and then he dumped water, and this guy turned water on it to save him. Yes, he could have just burned if it wasn't for this human.
Okay.
They're hugging.
They are hugging. Okay. Kanha, you were telling me about Corona.
Yes. This guy's driving in Tesla. This guy's just driving in Tesla.
Today you are interested in playing with your cars, right?
Um,
No more Corona, right?
I don't want to ask about Corona. I don't want to tell about coronavirus.
Why? You are getting bored?
Yes.
Aww.
But don't worry,
But you should tell your audience about it, right?
actually, I will show you how people stay at home.
Hmm.
These guys,
Okay, that's interesting part.
these guys haven't wearing masks. This one is not wearing mask.
Hmm.
He's driving around. This one is.
This one is wearing mask.
Because it's a regular robot.
Okay, it's a regular robot. Now it's no more human.
It's a human. It's just still a human. But then the robots, when you do them like this, that's a human mask.
Okay.
Do you think doctors wear those? But it's so this is you can see these over here. Those are not supposed to be on this test. I don't know if it's also a bumblebee. It's a bumblebee car. I don't know why bumblebee can transform into Tesla.
Bumblebee. Bumblebee is of yellow color, I think so.
Yes. Maybe to paint themselves green and then turn into Tesla.
Really, Kanha?
Yes. But this car, I think it looks like a Lamborghini. But oh, I almost forgot. Do you think it will kill a bit?
Okay.
Should you show me?
And what is this one?
This is also bumblebee, and it's yellow.
It's yellow. Okay.
You see, one of my old bumblebees, they broken, and they over here were shiny. Even the guns over here were shiny. And they look more real bumblebees. But this looks like a more real car when it's not transformed into a transformed into robot.
Okay. So friends, today he don't want to talk about coronavirus. I'll show you what he did in the balcony today. Hi, Kanha.
Hi.
What are you going to do? What are you doing?
I'm asking coronavirus to go away.
You are asking coronavirus to go away.
My finger, it's super big.
And what we are doing? We have switched off our lights.
Yes, to do that.
Okay. And?
People are using lights, the big lights.
Oh, people are lighting candles.
Look over there.
Lighting torch, right?
Wait. Look. Coronavirus, no way. Coronavirus, go away. Coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. Hey, coronavirus, go away. Corona. Papa, look at your shadow. Shadow. Arab, look how there's a shadow monster behind you.
No.
Look over there, look.
हाँ ऐसी लाइट मारी है तो मेरी वो आँख में।
See? That's good. Oh.
Why have we have switched off the lights, Kana? And why we are doing this? Come, stand here. No. Okay, tell me. Why we are doing this?
To say coronavirus go away.
Ah. Who asked us to do this? Our Prime Minister. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Who is our Prime Minister? Who is our Prime Minister? Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Yes. So, we are using torchlight, some using candles, some using diyas. Right,
What
Kana?
are DRs?
Diya.
DR, what does that mean?
It's a light. Go, stand here. Okay. Hold this torch. Hold it. See? Everyone is doing. So 5th April 2020, 9 p.m. for 9 minutes. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked us to switch off the lights and we lit
tell you some safeties about
candles.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You want to tell something? Okay. Now he is ready
about
to.
Safety.
Okay, about safety.
There's 5 ways to protect your mouth from coronavirus from getting in. It's
Yes.
wearing a mask.
Okay. The first safety measure is to wear mask. Okay. Second one.
Second one is you have to stay indoors.
You have to stay indoor. Okay.
In house.
In house. Okay. Cool. Another. Is there any another measure?
And stay calm and watch videos. Do not go time TV. Play games to calm you. Then don't go outside and play regular games if it's coronavirus still there.
Till the danger of coronavirus is there, you should stay indoor and play indoor games, not think about outdoor, right?
Right. I'll tell
What
you about
else?
that.
Yes. My darling, you were telling about that.
Always don't go out without mask.
Yes. That's the most important thing, right?
And also don't go in cars.
Cars. Okay.
But
Why not in cars?
if the windows are out, the lines, if you come to lines,
Okay.
or even light or even to here.
Kana, how you will find that you are ill? You want help.
Using this
What? Using this? What is this?
thermometer.
What? Come here.
Thermometer.
It's a thermometer, okay?
Yeah,
Come,
but
sit.
In this case.
Okay. Show me. Sit down, baby. So you are going to check your body's temperature.
Yes. How do you do it?
Yeah, let me tell you. Give it to me.
I just 1898.
You got 98.1.
Yes.
But if someone's body temperature exceeds 98.6, then they should consult doctor, right, Kanha?
Yes. They shouldn't get lower than 8.
Yeah, your body temperature is normal, perfectly fine.
Yes.
So you like visiting doctor?
Sometimes I don't only like. I don't only like going to the doctor. I also like having the doctors at home. Except
Okay.
their shots should be not done with them.
Okay. You don't like visiting there, you prefer calling doctor at home.
No, sometimes I go there.
Sometime you go there for vaccination or something else.
My nose is blocked, that's why.
Oh, yeah, friends, he has adenoids, so he has to visit doctor regularly.
You can see I'm there's air coming out of it and it's not sounding very good.
Yeah, my baby, you will be perfectly fine
Because
in no time.
Yes.
So sometimes he has difficulty in breathing. So for that, we visit doctor regularly.
The car is spinning around right now. Yes.
So shall we wind up now? Say bye to your friends. We will catch them later in next video.
Next video is a little video.
So little?
Yes.
You want to record more?
Yes, it was a little bit. Every single video is a little bit bigger. That's why I only want big videos.
Okay.
You forgot there's more safeties.
More safeties. Okay, you want to tell more safeties. Let's listen, guys, what he has to tell.
If your car doesn't have doors and windows like this, if your car has windows like this, of a side of the car like this, and it doesn't have the door, the coronavirus can come to back and then enter your mouth. If you wear the mask, you can drive with the mask on only.
Yes, that we already know now. You forgot to tell, which you avoid doing, right? Washing your hands, using sanitizer, that you keep on avoiding.
I don't avoid this at all.
Okay. So that's it for now. Say bye.
I don't even like little videos.
It's so long.
It's so long.
Yes.
That's not a long video at all. It's a little video. This arcade was super little.
We will make another one.
But this should be very big.
Oh, that would be very big. We will plan something out, okay?
Okay. Bye.
See you in the next video.
Be safe. And if you see Robo Combo
He has
Prime,
lots to talk.
Robo Combo, splash it with water.
Okay.
And rise up.
Rise up.
Don't follow things that I always do. Sometimes I stayed up in 3 nights.
Okay.
So don't do that at all. Bye.
Bye.
Don't let my eyes.